If you suck at golf and want to advertise it, you should pick this up. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I like to golf every now and then, and I'm not very good, and I don't mind advertising that. This says USAG, not USGA. And that's the name of a company that prides itself on kind of having some irreverent parody type of golfing apparel, and this shirt is no different. So it's pretty nice. It's a nice thin material. This is going to keep you cool. I will tell you that it feels like a synthetic, but it says extreme comfort, soft feel in the skin, easy care, keeps you dry, evaporates moisture away from the body and stays odor-free, and it stretches a little bit. And I have no doubts. Like I said, it's actually pretty thin. It kind of feels a little bit almost thinner than an Under Armour shirt, but it's got a nice look. You can even see we have a little red, white, and blue tag on the sleeve here, and then that red, white, and blue as kind of an inner lining on the neck opening, and 2 buttons, but you'll probably only use 1. Now this logo right here is not the USGA logo, and that's why I picked it up, because I thought it was kind of funny. It's just a dude with a golf club drinking some booze, which is exactly how I spend most of my golf outing. So, what does it look like on me? Let's try it out. So, man, feels good. It does feel light, especially on a hot sunny day. I think this is gonna feel super comfortable. I love the look here. Like I said, a little red, white, and blue against the gray here is kind of smart looking. And then you've got that drinking golfer right there, which is pretty cool. Color. Man, I think at a glance, this makes you look like a professional. So when you get up to the tee box and you just shank them into the woods, you're actually not gonna be false advertising, because this is You Suck at Golf, not US Golf Association. Hey, if you wanna pick this up, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.